What are the disadvantages of cast iron? Hey folks, it's Mike here. I just want to welcome you back to Mr. Cast Iron. And today let's talk about this because we're often guilty of just basically talking about the advantages of cast iron and how you can cook with it with high temperatures, or you can cook with it in the oven or on a grill or stovetop or out on a fire pit or whatever. But we fail to mention the disadvantages of cast iron, and there are some. Not a lot, but there are some. One of the disadvantages of cast iron is how heavy it is. Cast iron is heavier than most cookware, and for some people, especially women and older folks, it's a little bit heavier and a little bit harder to deal with and handle. And so that can be a disadvantage, of using cast iron. Another thing, too, about cast iron is you have to hand wash it. You can't put it in a dishwasher. I mean, you can, but it's going to really affect the seasoning on your cast iron. And so we want to keep our cast iron seasoned. And that's another thing that, is a disadvantage of cast iron, is it's prone to rusting if we do not keep the seasoning on it. And so, you want to definitely hand wash your cast iron. Be sure and dry it out real good, and put it on the stove top, heat it up a little bit, add a little bit of oil to it, and just rub that around and make sure you've got a thin coat, a thin layer of oil on your cast iron skillet before you actually put it away for the next time you're ready to use it. So, there's 3 or 4 disadvantages right there that you need to be aware of about cast iron. Like I said, it's heavy, it's prone to rusting, you've got to hand wash it, and you need to maintain it. That's the big thing about cast iron, is maintaining the seasoning on it. And once you do that, it'll last you for a lifetime. I don't see anybody ever passing down any other type of skillet, but cast iron has been passed down from generation to generation. So that's an advantage with the disadvantages here that we're mentioning. So anyway, I hope that's been helpful. Let me know if you have some other thing that you feel that is a disadvantage to using cast iron. Leave us a comment, and we'll be coming back to you again soon. You guys have a great day. Now, it's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.